All right, my judges, they don't chop from Joseph plate and then talk say it dey okay. How wanna see that one? I see say wanna battle small with some kind of pomo and something. It dey alright.
Well, in try.
Okay.
It dey okay. The meat. When I try to cut them, it dey like say it dey difficult.
Yeah.
But by the time I chew them, I can't say the thing is soft for mouth.
Oh, okay.
It
Now
dey
those
okay.
kind of meat where they say don't touch. When you
Yes.
touch, you go say okay.
You
Have
can
me
chew
on.
me.
All right, Bolanle, you don't cook this one, you don't ready. You think say judges go carry you today, go house, make you join their team.
Yes.
All right, tell me how you make your ogbono soup. Explain to us because we know say our viewers won't learn something from you.
For the ogbono soup, I
Yeah.
first melt palm oil inside pot.
Okay.
I no make am hot very well.
Okay.
I come dissolve my ogbono for inside.
Inside. All right.
So it go draw.
Okay.
After I take dissolve am, I come add my stock
Okay.
from
The
the
stock
meat.
fish.
No, from
Okay,
the
the
goat
water
meat.
for. Okay, okay.
After I don add am finish, I leave am make e come up small
Okay.
because na ogbono. And later I added my crayfish, the pepper, the stock fish.
Together.
I don cut my pomo.
Okay,
I add
into
that
pieces.
one into pieces.
All right.
I add that one.
You dey convinced say you don't cook this and it go make you win today.
Yes.
All right, my people, as they talk, everybody now winner. It depends on how you take cook am because it get this say when they say we all they do the same thing, but how you take do am now make you dey different. Bolanle, go serve our judges because we want me them know say you self sabi cook. No for the ladies handle. All right. Presentation, what you wanna see?
Well, until we taste them, but from what I dey see, the soup look flat. I
It
don't
dey
know.
flat, it no impress you. You know say you get some soup where they speak to you. This one no talk to you at all.
I mean flat, but it go also depend on how they take because
It
if you be
is.
saying that the style of this type of ogbono.
But you feel say if you serve your clients soup like this, it go speak who you be.
Yes, I know. You know, the look no really. You know they catchy.
You know they catchy
Yes,
enough for
enough.
you to feel. As a comedian that you are, speak to me about this soup.
Okay, let me speak to the soup. Soup! It's not like the way you look.
You don't like the way you
But
look?
when I will shop you, I will know whether you look good in the mouth.
All right. Our judges, you know, so we get comedian in the building and we get one of our sisterly where they into food consultants or events. If you want to do your party, just contact us for here on Talk Chop Chop. We will make it happen for you. All right, my judges, smoke on a chop, let this one drink water, keep glass. Not gonna know what you wanna think because this one are from Bolanle Kitchen.
Okay.
Now she make this one happen.